Hello everyone, welcome to another day of joyful travel diaries. Today I'm visiting a small art center and a beautiful waterfall in the countryside of Victoria. Bundoora-Homestead-Art-Centre, built on the lands of Wurundjeri Woiwurrung people, has a unique proposition. It is housed in a heritage mansion that has served as a family home. The gallery is housed in a magnificent Queen Anne-style Federation mansion, built in 1900 by the Smith family. In 1920, J.V.M. Smith sold Bundoora Park to the Commonwealth Government, and over the next 70 years, the building was used as a convalescent farm for returned war veterans and a mental hospital until decommissioned in 1993. In 2001, with the help of La Trobe University and the Commonwealth Government, Darebin City Council restored Bundoora Homestead and opened it to the community as an arts and cultural space. My next stop is located in the Coliban River Scenic Reserve. This 24 hectares reserve contains more than 80 species of plants, with some of the largest eucalypts remaining in the area, creating home for many nocturnal mammals and a wide range of birds. What you can see from the far is the Trentham Falls, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in central Victoria. It is the largest single drop of any waterfall in central Victoria. Plunging more than 32 meters down a basalt cliff, it has formed a ravine several hundred meters long. Picnic tables and fire pits are available for a barbecue or picnic under the shade of the tree canopy. After a relaxed time watching how beautifully Trentham Falls flowing down, it's time to go home enjoying the serenity of regional Victoria. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I'll see you soon. Until then, take care. Goodbye.